Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. We have previously done a forex analysis, all the major pairs. So how they behave in this week, we can see that analysis guys. You can see that I have told you this is the one of the trend line. If it will break, then use us our first target and second target. This will act as a resistance. Okay guys, our SL will be somewhere here because this is the red candle second. So this is the buyer's area and never tested this area, so we have bought somewhere here, or this candle also second candle you have got very nice risk to reward guys up till here. You can see that continuously taken resistance, second time taking resistance, somewhere here only you have taken your position and your SL will be this green candle. You can see that how nicely it has been came down once again. Our first target reach also, second target in long, and in short also first target and second target also reached. Okay guys, we have got jackpot in euro versus USD dollar guys. In GBP versus US dollar guys, you can see that taken resistance, but whole week it cannot done anything. It continuously consolidate and done nothing guys. In euro versus GBP, you can see that I have given you this trade in telegram channel also. You can check out guys. We have got very nice trade. Our 0.0100 is our SL will be there, and we have got very nice executable trade guys. We have got at least 1:4 guys, and I have also told you when 1:3 has been booked, your at least 70% you have booked or not, you have got at least 1:5 to 1:4 guys. Okay guys, after that you can see that it continuously consolidated. After that it once again taken resistance and came back guys. Okay guys, we have got very nice trade in here, so hope you have done that trade and you have been taken that trade, so you have been profitable so much. So we can see next USD versus CAD. You can see that exactly here only, somewhere here only taken resistance and came back. Our first target also reached, second target also guys. Okay guys, after that it became a consolidation phase only, not done anything guys. In next USD versus CHF, I have told you this would be act as a resistance. You can see that after this is broken, it has taken a support. Our first target is reached. Okay guys, we have taken this position. After this is rejected, this red candle has been seen, I have exited from the long and I have taken somewhere in this candle only short, and my SL will be somewhere here, because you can see that this is the always seller is coming here, first time, second time, always seller are coming. So seller dominating area is here somewhere. So you can see that I will just shift this. You can see here, this is the seller dominating area. That's why I have taken sell side position. You can see that exactly taken resistance and came down once again. Our first target also reached. This is my first target. This will be my second target guys. Okay guys, and my third target. All target, three target has been reached. I have exited somewhere this candle only, because my third target also reached, so I have exited. We have got very nice trade here also guys. Okay guys, that's why I have told you, please go and watch my analysis whatever I have done. There are so much learning like this, so you can got whenever market repeat itself. So I wanted you to tell that please go and check out guys, so it will be benefit you only. Okay guys, it taken resistance and continuously whole day is consolidated, but here taken resistance. Our first target also reached, second target almost reached, or somewhere here also in this week also our second target reach. We have to book 70% rule, I have told you guys. Okay guys, we have also got here also our nicest trade here. I have what I have told you, if it will take resistance somewhere here, then only go for this. You can see that it broken, came down, and you can see here exactly here only taken a support guys. You can see here. Okay guys, what will be the there, if downside will be here, then our upside target will be these. Okay guys, if you have not entered somewhere here, okay guys, you have not entered somewhere here, then it's hard to see where you have to enter. But if you have entered somewhere here only in this week only, so you have got very nice trade. I have triggered somewhere here only because I know that it will be reversible, because it came downside, so it will be act as strong supporting area, because you can see that how bullishness is here. So what I have done is that somewhere here only I have kept my buying position upside, so I have triggered somewhere here and my SL will be somewhere here. Okay guys, otherwise you have got somewhere here also. You have got here also, you have got very nice trade. You can see that swing. Our first, second, all target is reached. My first target also reached, second, third and fourth target also, guys. You can see that if you have bought somewhere here also, in this candle also, and your SL will be this candle, guys, you can see that how small is SL your first target also. You have got at least 1:4 to 1:5 target. Okay, guys, it is taking here only resistance. I have told you it will maybe take a resistance. I have mentioned here it taken resistance. Our downside also, first target also is, second target I have exited here only. I have not taken because already it given us 4 target in upside also, in downside also too. It is enough from NSD US dollar. Okay, guys, in euro versus Japanese yen, I have told you here also it will taking a resistance. You can kept your SL somewhere here top, and you can buy here for a downside momentum. You can see that our first target easily reached. After that, second target also reached. Okay, guys, you can see that third target also reached, but it taken a consolidation. After that, it reached our second target also, small, very smallly it reversed, but we have got all 3 target reached. Okay, guys, we can see next AUD versus CHF. You can see that AUD versus CHF also, it has taken a support here somewhere only. Okay, guys, you have bought somewhere and your SL will be, you can see that our first target also reached, second target it making a big and smallly have not reached. Okay, guys, I have trailed my SL somewhere here only because I don't want it to lose this trade, because I have seen that so many time it will fail, so it came downside. So that's I have not making any trade here and taken my SL will be hitted. Okay, guys, small SL. So after that it continuously consolidating here only, so I am not interested in it. After that, somewhere here only, guys, you can see that in this area it is continuously making a wick. Okay, guys, this is the best place where you can see that here also making a wick. This is the wick. Okay, guys, like this only we have to see it. Okay, guys, in this you can see that in this day it making a wick. After that somewhere here only I have bought, and my SL will be somewhere here. You can see that our first target also reached, second target also almost reached. Okay, guys, third target slightly only it has not reached, but we have got very nice trade in AUD versus CHF also, guys. Okay, guys, we have got also GB British pound versus Japanese yen. You can see that exactly taken support. Our first target also reached, second target also reached. I have booked my 70% because I know that up till here it is probably very difficult to reach, but I have kept in my SL somewhere here only. My SL will be hitted somewhere here, but I have got 2 targets, so 80% I have booked my profit. So I have got very nice target. After that it continuously consolidate. So after that only it taking resistance, but I don't have enough money to take here trade, so I have not traded in and that. Okay, guys, so this is the analysis of all the major pair, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like my video, guys, please share with your friends and family. If you have any queries, guys, please comment down. I will let you know that you have difficulty, so I will resolve it. And you can join my Telegram channel also, guys. I will give you so many ideas. I have given 2 ideas and both have been work very nice. At least you have got 1:5 risk to reward, guys, on to both. Okay, guys, I have also given you in the crude oil also. I will do analysis that too in next video, guys. You can see that too, guys. Okay, guys, thank you, guys. Have a nice day, guys.